I'm going to make some sun-dried tomato and roast pepper muffins. These are delicious as a snack or as part of a lunch. So first of all, I'm going to put into a bowl some regular plain flour and some oats as well, rolled oats, delicious. And they give a nice little bite. Some baking powder and some grated Parmesan cheese. You could use different cheeses if you like. Nice way to use up some leftover cheese. There. And then wet ingredients go in. Crack in a couple of eggs. Whisk the eggs. And then some chives. Nice little bunch of chives. These, of course, are going to bring a really lovely oniony flavour. Put those into the eggs. And then some water. Some extra virgin olive oil. Sun-dried tomatoes and roasted peppers chopped up. And you could, of course, even add into this, if you like, some crispy bacon, chorizo. I'm going to add in some PDM. This is great, of course, for bringing extra protein to these muffins. Some tomato soup, which is going to back up the tomato flavour really nicely. Stir the dry ingredients together. Make a well in the centre of the dry ingredients and add in the wet ingredients. Pour into the centre. Mix this all together. Don't overbeat it. You don't want them to be tough and heavy. Just stirring it until it comes together. You want to divide it out between the paper cases. Put into an oven preheated to 180 degrees. These will take about 24-25 minutes to bake. You can tell they're cooked when they feel just gently set in the centre. These would be delicious with a bowl of soup. Allow them to cool.